Hello and welcome to the video for how to schedule an advising appointment. This video will be specifically for honors students. However, if you are a non-honor student, you will be able to use this as well. So this is myWCU page. On the right side of the page, you want to go under the quick links box and hit advising and tutoring. That should pull up a page similar to this. Right here is the classes that you're currently enrolled in the middle of the page. And then on the right side, if you scroll down, you can see your success team, which will have your advisor, your instructors, as well as your honors advisor. So scroll back up and hit Get Assistance. And then when the page loads, you can answer these questions of what can we help you find? So what type of appointment? You would select advising in this situation. However, you can schedule an appointment for CCPD office, the MAPS office, as well as just general course tutoring. In the advising section, you can select the different services that we offer. These will be the reason for your advising session. So you can do general. If you want to change your major, you can select that. If you want to withdraw a course, select that. You can click multiple if you would like. And then you can pick a date, but it doesn't necessarily matter at this point. And then hit Find Available Times. As this page loads, it's going to give you 5 different locations where you could select generally. As honors students, you do not go to the advising center. You will go to the honors college, which would be virtual counseling. So you can select that right there. And these are all the available times that an advisor will be able to meet with you in the future. If you would like to meet with a specific advisor, you can hit View Individual Availabilities and select the person that you would like to hit. And there you can see all the times that this person is available for. So say I wanted to go for this advising session right there, I would click that and review all this material to be sure that I understand what is happening. Here is the Zoom link if it is online. And then right here, I would encourage you to select any or insert any comments that you have specific to the advising appointment. So if you have multiple topics that you would like to cover, I would insert that in there as well. This area would just be for the advisor to know what they're going into the session and be able to prepare for the advising session about. And then after that, I would hit schedule, and then that would allow you to schedule the appointment with the advisor.